Hi everyone, Dush here. Today, we're gonna look at how you can add reverb to any audio recording. And not just any audio recording, it can be from any song. Just make sure that it is an audio file. We're gonna be using additional software, and I think a lot of you guys know this. We're gonna be using Audacity. Alright, let's get started. First off, you need to open up your web browser because we need to first install Audacity. So head onto your web browser and in the address bar, type in audacityteam.org. I'll put this up on your screen and in the description. Once you hit enter, you'll be presently led onto this page. Scroll down just a tiny bit and you'll find a big blue download button. Hit the installer and make sure to install Audacity using the setup process. It's kind of weird how I say using a setup process, but install Audacity using the setup. You just click on it and just left for it, and the download will start in a sec. It should automatically determine what operating system you're on. So we're going to be installing it for Windows. It automatically detected it. Alright, and if you're not on Windows, let's say, or you're on another operating system, you can choose right over here. We're going to wait for the setup, and now let's install Audacity. Once you're done installing Audacity, head on and open it up. Here it is. You'll see this nice logo come up, and here is Audacity. So first of all, we're going to have to import our audio recording or our .mp3, .wav, .ogg, or .fac. What we're going to do is go into the file, hit import, and audio. You can even use the shortcut key if you're Windows, Control-Shift-I. That will also open up the file picker. Or here, choose your audio recording. For me, here it is, untitled.mp3. So as you can see, our audio is imported. Now select the entire audio. If you only want the reverb to come in a specific time in the audio, select that part like this by holding down your cursor and moving it right or left. Once that is done, go onto the effects tab up on the top and click on the option that says reverb ... Why is it a ... I don't know, but click on reverb. Once you're done, you can see room size slider over here, so you can make it 0, which wouldn't make any sense, and you can also make it super echoey, right? And you have some other settings which I just usually ignore. You should ignore them. They won't affect anything, but you can experiment for yourself, right? And if you make the room size to whatever number you want, basically, you can just hit wet only or not. I'll just keep this disabled and let's hit OK. Once that's done, you notice a bit different in this audio space over here because we selected only this part of the audio. So now let's play it. Hi everyone, Dush here. Today. Hi. So you'll notice since we only selected this part, only this part has the reverb, otherwise the rest has normal. So let's actually add the reverb to the entire audio by doing the same things again. Alright, now that we have done that, we can play the audio again. Hi everyone, Dush here. Today. Yes, you'll notice there's a lot of echo, and that is known as reverb. So guys, no, we can't end it without exporting the audio. So if you want the actual audio file, you can hit on to the file menu on the top, click on export, and export as whatever, and export it as whatever file format of audio. We're gonna go MP3, and we're just gonna name it Untitled 4 because I already have Untitled.mp3. Hit enter or just click the save. And here is our audio file. Let's play it right again. I know, a lot of times. Hi everyone, Dush here. Today. Yeah, that's hi everyone. Yeah, it always repeats, but that is pretty echoey. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for stuff like this. And I'll see you next time.